How are you?
Hey, how are you?
I'm Chase.
Chase, how you doing?
Good, how are you? What's up, man? I'm Chase. I'm sorry it took me so long.
Nah, you good.
I don't know what's going on out here.
We getting off and another shift coming on.
Okay. I'll say, I've been here like 10 minutes. They drove me all around the parking lot. Let's get you in here. How y'all doing today?
Better since you're here.
I like to hear that. That's it. We can do a cash app or Venmo, however you need to do it. So do you need some change? How much you got right here? 80. Okay.
You gave him 80?
Yes, ma'am. All right, you guys have a great night.
Thank you, you too.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.